welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be continuing on with the kitchen declutter. So in a previous video you saw I went through this press. I did the food, I didn't do anything else, I left all the other stuff in there, so we're going to go through that. We're going to go through the bottom row presses here in the kitchen and the junk drawer and the press underneath that, because to be honest, these are the only presses we haven't gone through. I don't really need to go through the Delft press because there's really not that much in it. Stuff we're all oh, I need to go through this beside me as well. There's like double press here I'll be going through as well. Anyway, I'm not going to waffle on. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you find it motivating and satisfying, and hopefully you'll pick up a few tips along the way. Without further ado, let's get started. So what I also plan to do with this press is turn it into kind of a coffee press. So if you guys have seen the press down below previously, which I'll show you guys in a second, I have a lot of coffee mugs. Like, it's a bit ridiculous. Okay, it's very ridiculous. But and the problem is, because I have so many of them, I leave them in my car and then I come in and I have like 8 coffee mugs to wash, and I put them all and fill up the whole dishwasher. So I have this one here, which is pretty, but I don't use it because I had it in here. So I'm going to try this one this week. Oh, it's kind of gross. Okay, it needs to be washed because it's kind of nasty. And I don't know about this thing. A lot of coffee mugs have these foam thingies in the bottom. I know they're to stop it sliding, but they're a bit nasty. And if the coffee spills, they get soaked, and ugh, it's kind of gross. Anyway, yeah, so I want to, oh no, actually, no, she's fine. There's a crack here, but I think it's on the inside, so it's fine. Anyway, I'm going to try this coffee mug. I'm going to get the coffee mugs, not all of them, half of them. And I'm going to move them up here, because we have moved the Tassimo. Let me just show you guys really quickly. So the Tassimo's right here. So we've moved that here now. We've got our pods. The rest of the pods you just don't put up above, and then we have just the pod container over the far side there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, where I'm pointing in reality versus the camera's different, so you can see there. Extra pods and then some cute mugs there. Now these mugs don't get used very often because they're hand wash only, which annoys me. So, but they're, oh, wrong way, there we go. But they're super pretty. So yeah. Which I know is not a reason to keep a mug, okay? I'm aware. It's not a reason to keep a mug. But like, they're so pretty. Just so pretty. Anyway, they're gonna be, I like them there. I'm gonna leave them there for now because I think they'll look pretty nice when we get into the holiday season. The holiday season, you know what I mean. I don't know if it's a thing around the rest of the world, but in Ireland, if you mention the December holiday, this time of the year, woo, people go on a mad one. Anyway, I'm going to grab some of the coffee mugs to bring them up here, because we do use boat machines. And I will show you the press first, and then I'm going to pop them up here. Oh, and I also will be decluttering some of them because it's absolutely ridiculous how many I have. As you can see, the coffee takes up an enormous amount of room, so what I'm actually going to do is I want to move this to the press over the fridge, because that's what makes the most sense. Like, the coffee is taking over the press, like, it's a bit ridiculous. So just grab this out. Now, a big thing as well with this kitchen, because I did get a couple of comments saying to people, you know, are you going to go back through these presses again? As you can see, there isn't much in them, so the stuff doesn't go off because we don't have it here long enough. So, yeah. There's more room for the cans. I'm actually gonna stack these two together. So we just have some cans beside it. All this stuff here is like, it's never here long, so it doesn't go off. But here's the coffee. I'm gonna move this to the, up to the press above the fridge. Okay guys, so as promised, I wanted to show you this press. So these are all coffee mugs. Like it's a bit ridiculous now, to be honest. It's gotten a bit out of hand. Okay, that's my thermos, I'm keeping that. I have this cool mug here, and then you press the button and it stirs the coffee, but it's gone, it's broken. The thing doesn't work. The battery, I put new batteries in it and everything, it doesn't work. Like it's okay, it doesn't really keep the coffee that hot. So I'm gonna let that go. Bye-bye. This cup is fine, it's cork on the outside, which I like. The problem is, it doesn't really keep the coffee that hot either, and I hate washing it because it's cork. And it takes a year and a half to dry, so I'm gonna let that go. This one I just don't use. I don't like the shape of it, I don't like, let me show it to you. Like it's got the cool rubber seal on it, but it's annoying to clean. It can't be dishwashed. I'm already telling you about that stupid foam thing that fell off the bottom of it, so I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna keep this for the moment because I want to do a craft with it. Cricket craft coming soon. I absolutely love this and adore this mug because it's really nice. But I don't know if you guys can see it, there's a big old crack here. It's right along the seam, which I realised one day when I was drinking coffee and it poured all over me. So, I'm gonna let it go. That is like my dad's only coffee mug. No, he's two. So I'm actually gonna move them up because he doesn't use them very often. So I'm gonna put them up in the higher press. These two are my dad's. Meant a bit nuts and caffeine here, lads. I made you a craft with this as well. Oh yeah, this changes colour, which I know is so stupid, but it changes colour and I like it, it's fun. Let me try and reorganise these a little bit better. Okay. Ooh! Reckon the gaff. But yeah, I think that's a reasonable amount of coffee mugs to have. Yeah, we'll stick with that for the moment. I don't like this anymore. Oh yeah, I have this here. I was keeping for dumb reasons. Well, not dumb reasons, but this is from, I was staying in Manhattan Times Square a good few years ago now, and I kept this, but to be honest, I don't like these. Like, it was great when we were in the city, but like, they're annoying. I don't like them. I've loads of them, I don't even like them. But yeah, so I think that's a reasonable number. We also have, I think, let me check. I've none in there. I also have one or two more coffee mugs on the go. And I don't know if I ever showed you guys this one. This big giant thing. This coffee mug I use a lot, it's 20 ounce. So it's like a venti in Starbucks. It is Starbucks as well, so that's like my favourite one. Oh, and a little hook I installed. I don't know if I filmed this or not, but I put a little command hook in here to keep this bag up for my espresso pods. So yeah, so anyway, getting rid of this because it's broken, getting rid of this because it's broken, getting rid of this because I just don't like it, and getting rid of this because I don't like cleaning it. And these are my dad's. I'm going to move these up above. And I'll be honest guys, I'm feeling some anxiety. I don't know why coffee mugs make me anxious, but they do. It's not like I'm going to run out. I have 6. I also have an espresso mug. I think I have 2 espresso mugs. Well, I have 1 anyway. I think a friend of mine, I loaned the coffee mug too. So we're going to bring these 2 up above for now. And we're going to stick with that. Okay, so I got these 2. I'm going to pop them in here for now. I also would really like to make better use of this press. These can go back in. Actually, I'll put them there. That's just some chocolate, that's all it is. Now guys, I have loads of these, they're like water bottles kind of, but they're plasticky pouches. Honestly, I think I bought them because they were cute more than anything, which is a silly reason. They have a little carabiner on them as well. I don't know if that'll focus, but I don't know if you guys can even see that. Anyway, irrespective. I have them about 4 years. I bought them in my old house because I didn't really have many water bottles there. I don't ever use them. I'm gonna let them go. I have this water bottle as well. It was, I bought it for breast cancer. I love that. Not for climbing, obviously. It's a grand water bottle. It does leak, so I'm gonna let it go. And guys, I've also made a decision on this. Like, I've lived without it this long. Do you know what I mean? Why the hell do I need it now? I'm gonna let it go. This bottle here, we don't use it. I'm gonna let it go. There's a couple of other things I'd like to put in this, because it is like, it's a huge press, like. Do you know what I mean? It is huge. Now I want to leave room to grow because when we get a Tassimo order, we generally order like about 8 packs. So I'm going to kind of assign half of the cupboard to that. But like, we've so much room over here and I don't want to waste this good space. So I think I'm going to, oh, I've already found one thing I want to put in here. So I have these little espresso mugs. They're just for espresso. It's one good start. Okay, so we've gone through that press. I'm pretty happy with it for now. I'm going to leave it as is. Sorry, you guys can't even see that. I'm going to leave it as is. Let me bring you guys a bit closer so you can see. So I'm pretty happy with it as is. You can see the 2 coffee mugs there at the back. It's a dark press, guys. Sorry, I need to figure out a way to light because my light's too big to go into it. The little cups, the descaling for the Nespresso and the chocolate. So I'm gonna leave that for now. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. Unfortunately, I have had to wrap up today's video early, just due to some technical issues I'm having. The video was longer, and then I was trying to export it, and it wouldn't export, and it was a whole thing. So I'm not going to get into it. I'm not going to bore you guys with the details. I just want to let you know that that is why the video is so short today. It's just hitting around 12 and a half minutes at the moment. So, and I know this is a like impromptu outro as well, but I just want to let you guys know in case you're wondering why the video is so short. That is why. I'm having some tech issues, but I still wanted to get a video out to you guys today. So I really hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you haven't already, please give me a like down below if you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified anytime a video goes live on my channel. As always, I hope you found it motivating, I hope you found it satisfying and enjoying, and hopefully you picked up a few hints and tips along the way. I really wanted to wish you guys a very happy Halloween. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and a great week ahead, and I will talk to y'all soon. Okay, love y'all. Bye.